Okay, so just at first glance, this right here might be perfect for what I want to do on the hill behind my backyard. I won't say any more, but Billy Goat. But this would be perfect. That's all I'm going to say. I'll let you connect the dots. Okay, it's pretty windy today. I don't know how this is going to sound, but awfully great start to the vlog today for quite some time. Check it out. Blue skies, nice beautiful breeze, warm temperatures. I think I even heard some birds chirping. Yes, yes. Great morning. Anyway, on top of that, look at that. Look at that color. Now that, my friends, is double dark. All this lawn has had in the last couple of months, if you will, was one application of 1801 Green Punch at 16 ounces per thousand, mixed with 700 Green Effect at 6 ounces per thousand. That's what I put on here back in early to mid-October, and that was just enough to put the lawn to bed and allow it to wake up nice, green, and nourished, as you can tell. Just look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm in the truck, got the trailer. I got a couple of things I got to do today. Number one, I got to make 2 trips to the dealer this morning with my enclosed trailer to pick up my 2 Toro zero-turn mowers. Unfortunately, I can't fit 2 of them in there just because I don't have a big enough trailer. I might be investing in a new one, so that might be something to stay tuned for. But anyway, got to go pick 2 of them up. I got to take a push mower in there, have them look at it. I'll tell you more about that later. And then after that, I got to come back here, get the snow blowers, get them out of the garage, get that space back, if you will, in there, you know, so that we're ready for spring. Get all that in the storage unit, get situated over there, and yeah, that's the vlog. Gonna be fun. Let's go. Okay. Okay, I'm here. Check it out. I actually had to maneuver the trailer to get it pointing this way. I actually drove it in and I had to turn it around. As a matter of fact, it was kind of like that scene in Austin Powers, you know, where he's trying to do the beautiful day today, yes. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that looks to be them right there. Got the tires filled up, all cleaned. Decks are jacked up. I know this is mine because I got the Horizon 360 tracker on there, so yeah, boys are looking good.
The only thing we did not get a chance to do because of we're stuffed is really wash them off good, but everything else.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Did you guys ever figure out what was wrong with the key on this one?
See, I run so many of them.
Yeah.
That I didn't hardly notice anything. But let me.
Yeah, there we go.
It wasn't vibrating out or anything, was it?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
They fixed it.
Well, excellent.
Got the mowers, loading them up. Dan over there, being Dan. They took care of me, man. They did it in a week. Let's get the brick. There you go.
Oh, it just barely catches?
Yeah. Yep. Cool. All right, sounds good.
Thanks.
I'll see you in a couple minutes. Man, the things that happen when you're not vlogging, that's the thing that sucks about this genre. So I was just loading up the mower, got some awesome camaraderie with the main man here, Dan, who really took care of me over the phone and in person. And there was a moment where he was like taking a picture of me loading up the trailer. I wish I was vlogging that, but you know, I was also trying to be present, make sure I was doing my part, so. Yeah, anyway, that sucks, but yeah, so got the first mower good to go. I'm heading back to the storage unit now to drop this one off, and then I gotta pick up old Titan, which is right there, so. Oh, and then I gotta bring in a mower. That's the deal. guess it's safe to say that I am overdue for a cleaning. You see, when I put these mowers away last fall, one thing I regret is not taking a day and taking them to get washed. Due to tight time and having to get the trailer over to my grandma's before the storms came, just wasn't able to do it this year. So I'm gonna make up for that here in a couple upcoming videos, getting them pressure washed. And we should be good to go. Should be clean and tidy. Okay, this one is pretty cool. Check that out. Commercial. It's exactly what I need. Look at that. Toro, what are you doing? Come on. Let's make a video on this. All right, everybody. I am back here at the dealer for probably the final time, at least for today. I'll be back for sure. But I wanted to hop in here real quick and say a big thank you to Dan Terpstra. You're the owner's nephew, right? Son. Owner's son, right? Sincerely appreciate this guy. You guys got an awesome operation going here. Super nice. And my mowers look better, and they're also running a little bit better. So thank you.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
So you're just gonna take it from here?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yep.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Hi, Smoke. See how loving she is? Hi, Smokey. I missed you too. You get food today? Okay, good. Now she wants to get out of my lap when I start filming. See what she does? Smokey. What? Ooh. Watch what happens when I get away from her. She doesn't like this. Smoke. Smoke. Guys, I know the bed's not made again. Please don't comment about it. I don't know what's gotten into me lately. Usually when I do videos in here, I make the bed, but not today. Smokey. Look, she's gonna crawl up the chair. Smoke. Hi. Hi, Smoke. Okay, guys. This is as real time as it gets. Shot this video today, Saturday, the day before it goes out. I've officially finished up. I just wanted to sign off here and say thank you all very much for watching. Had a very fun day today at the dealer. Love my friends over there at Terpstra's. Great people, great customer service, and a great turnaround. I literally got my mowers back within a week, and it just goes to show you guys, get involved with your elite dealers in the area, and they'll take care of you. Folks, we got fun videos coming down the pipeline here. The season is just beginning for a lot of us, right? So got some fun videos coming. We're going to be doing some stuff here at the lawn pretty soon. We're going to be doing our first cut very soon. And on top of that, some work in the business that'll be coming down the pipeline as well. So, fun videos coming. See ya.